Alright, boys, how's everyone doing? I figured, I'm chilling out here by the fire tonight after a long week. Having a couple of beers, having a couple of smokes, and just relaxing after a long week. But I figured, I haven't talked to you guys in a while, I haven't been able to get a video up, so I figured maybe I'd, try to give you guys some summer tips. I did a winter tips video back in the winter, and I don't know, maybe I could try to give you guys some advice for what to do in the hot weather in the summer. Whatever, and if I miss anything, anyone, please put something in the comments for the guys that don't know. I try to base my things for the younger guys, so hopefully, just try to give some advice for it. So, just want to start one of the first, most important things, guys, obviously, stay hydrated. You know what I mean? It's, water, Gatorade, Powerade. I know a lot of guys drink energy drinks and things like that. It's just, those don't hydrate you, man. Soda, tonic, none of that hydrates you. It's got to be water, anything, that gives you electrolytes, something like that. Bring them on the roof with you. If you're going to be up there for a while, bring a cooler. I mean, anything, guys, I mean, we all know how it is to work in the heat, especially the humidity, and it can get bad, and it can wear you down. It can weigh you down bad. It's going to make you mad. It's going to make you angry. You're going to be pissed. You're not going to be happy. You're going to be gross. You're going to sweating. Just everything, Just, try to take it easy. Work smarter, not harder. You know what I mean? Like, you don't have to be a hero. It's just like, even guys, if you got sensitive skin, I don't know, wear sun protection if you have to. Wear your hats. Put up a tent. I mean, a lot of guys, they set up the 10x10 tents if they're going to be up there for a while doing a big compressor job, something like that, which is still good, even in the rain if you got to do that. I mean, I've seen guys using umbrellas, big straw hats. I mean, I don't know. I don't wear those things, but hey, whatever works, you know what I mean? And try to stay cool. And it's just, I mean, if you're up there, especially washing coils too when you die, hose yourself down with the hose, spray it on your face, whatever. It's like, it can get very hot in the summer, and I know how I am, and I know how a few of my buddies are, man. We're from the north, man. We're up in New England. We hate the heat, man. Like, I'm already ready for fall, and it's only like the end of June, I like my nice cool weather. I don't want the heat. I'm already done with it. It's just the way it is, dude. Us northerners like to be cool. I'll take the winter any day over this shit. And it's just, I'm sorry, I'm going to be looking at notes here too, guys. I had to write stuff down too, so I try to remember everything. I mean, even, go down to your truck, the same thing as you would do in the winter to get warm. If you got to go down to your truck, put your AC on for a few, cool off, it's all right. You got to remember, the units you're working on, guys, are already down. Something's already warm, something's already broken, okay? It's not going to hurt the customer anymore to be down another, 10, 15 minutes if you got to go down and cool yourself off. It's just, it's tough. It's the way it is. And sometimes, say you got to get parts, you may be gone for a couple hours getting parts, you know what I mean? It's still going to be down. So, you know what I mean? Just try to stay cool, guys. I can't stress it enough, because it's just, I don't know, I'm just going from my experiences over the years. I could take it a lot better when I was younger, but now that I'm getting older, the heat really bothers me. I do not enjoy it at all. And, and for you younger guys too, like, don't be afraid to, ask for help. Like, you don't have to be a hero. You know what I mean? If you need help from the older guys, your journeymen, the techs that are teaching you, if you're out on your own, don't be afraid to call people. I mean, I take phone calls all day long from guys I work with. Like today, it was hot. It was around, I don't know, 90 degrees today. My phone was legit going off like all day. It has been for the last few days. Just from guys that needed my advice, with refrigeration stuff, trying to help them diagnose stuff over the phone. There's no shame in doing that, guys. I do it too. We all have to do it. You got to call tech support sometimes. It just is what it is. And if you know you're going to be on hold with tech support forever, I mean, seriously, go wait down in your truck. Why, die up on the roof? Especially a black rubber roof. There's a lot of black rubber roofs around here. You take your temperature gun and shoot those roofs, they're easily reading 150. And that heat's just radiating off that onto you. And it's just, it's just no good. And as far as summer goes too, guys, like, if you can get any time off, I mean, a lot of companies,
you can't. Maybe you can get a day here and there. I know we have a blackout period where I work from basically July 4th to, July 1st to like August 15th. Like that, we can't take a week off. So, I mean, it is what it is. It's the busiest time of the year. It's what you got to do. But you need to kind of relate work and your personal life. You know, you can't let your family, your kids, your girlfriends, your wives go without. You know what I mean? I've been through it, guys. Like, I've lost everything. You know what I mean? I'm not going to lie. I've lost my house, everything. I'm not going to blame it on this trade. That's personal things too, but a lot of people can't, a lot of spouses can't handle this trade, okay? It's very hard, especially if, you got 24/7 refrigeration stuff going on, which we used to. I did that for years and years, not so much anymore, but it used to be, we were out, man. We were out all night, all day. We were walking around like zombies, and that can take a toll on a relationship. I've missed so many things with my daughter that I don't even want to say. I've missed a lot of things. I've had to leave birthday parties. I've had to leave for Christmas. I haven't been there on Christmas. Okay, Christmas morning, because I've been out working. It's just, you got to try to balance stuff, guys, and don't be afraid to tell your company that if you need time off. If you're a good employee, you're not going to get fired. Okay, trust me. Us guys are too valuable. These companies don't have enough guys. There's a shortage in the whole country. All right? And I mean, just, as always, just do your best, guys, though. Don't be lazy either, like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, we all kill ourselves, but don't push yourself that you're going to get sick or hurt or something like that. I've done that in the past, in my younger day. I still do it now. I take unnecessary risks that I shouldn't do, but now I speak up a lot more and say, if there's something I feel that is unsafe or a big risk, I'm not going to do it anymore. Or it's going to have to get done safely, because I'm old now, man. I'm 42, so I'm not going to take risks that I took when I was, a 25-year-old kid. It is what it is, but if you guys love to work, take the overtime. Take it while it's there, guys, because notoriously in this trade, at least especially in my area, it gets very slow in the winter. Like, I do snow plowing on the side in the winter to make up for hours that I lose, my normal job. You know what I mean? I've been plowing for 10 years. Luckily, I've always had a truck, and I was able to get a plow, so I do that to make some extra cash. I mean, and it's really not even extra. It's more just to survive through the winter. But it could be different anywhere. I don't know how the rest of the country is for you guys. This is all based off my area and what we go through, I mean, but the overtime, you don't have to kill yourself. You can and you can't. There's always time for a job to get done, guys. It's more important, your health, your mental well-being, because I'm not going to lie, this trade will, pardon my language, this trade will fuck you up, guys. Okay, and I've seen a lot of guys that can't handle it. I've seen guys the last 6 months that can't even take it. The physical things, the mental stuff, the stress. It is what it is, But I don't know, guys. I just want to give you guys some tips from that and speak a little, give you guys a little talk here. Hopefully, you guys are still listening to this whole thing. But I'm not trying to talk stupid. I'm just trying to speak from a veteran in the trade. It's hard, and especially with, how it is, guys. We all know the dispatches. Oh, God, help me with the dispatches. Listen, you guys do what you can, all right? You got to remember, they wouldn't have a job without us guys working in the trade, okay? No one in the office would. We are the guys that make the money, all right? So, that's how that goes. If you can't get to a job, you put it out there and you say, look, I ain't getting there. I got shit going on at this place, and this is getting done. I'm finishing this first. I did that too much back in my younger day, guys. I was getting thrown around from job to job, getting rushed every hour. It's like, how the hell am I going to get out of here in an hour when I got like 3 walk-ins down? So I'd try to get something running. I'd be like, I didn't even wait for it to get down to temp, didn't check what I should have. I'd go back, and then there'd be a callback the next day because I was getting rushed around to other stuff. So, I don't know, just a word of advice, guys. We can get into this more if you guys want to hear any other topics about that, or
about other things, how this trade can affect, family and, all that stuff, because I got some stories for that if anyone's willing to listen. But I hope everyone's doing well. I wanted to at least get a video up for you guys. Relax on the weekend. I hope you guys aren't on call, and if I don't get another video up, enjoy your 4th, guys. Enjoy it. Remember the freedom of our country. Enjoy it with your families, and I'll catch you boys in the next one.